Hi, my name is Humberto Maldonado. I'm Director of Safety and Compliance at Organically Grown Company, OGC. OGC is the largest organic produce distributor in the Pacific Northwest. We are based in Oregon, and since our beginning, we have been committing to the organic movement, but also to responsible business practices. At OGC, food safety and sustainability are not separate goals. They are actually core values that allow us to remain focused on people, planet, purpose, and profit. So we are an organic produce handler, and the obvious solution was GLOBALG.A.P Produce Handling Assurance, GLOBALG.A.P PHA. GLOBALG.A.P PHA is a standard that is benchmarked toward the Global Food Safety Initiative, but also GLOBALG.A.P is very aligned to OGC organizational priorities, such as environmental stewardship, workers' safe welfare and safety, continuous improvement, capacity building, sustainability, among others. GLOBALG.A.P is not only aligned to OGC organizational values, but to my personal values. That's why I have been always looking for ways to influence into the scheme. For example, I was part of the National Technical Working Group in Mexico. I actually was the president. And lately, I have been part of the US National Technical Working Group.